Hey guys, I'm here in the attic. In this house, we do have something that I am going to call out. So this is what our ductwork looks like. If you see here, everything is properly strapped all throughout the distribution system. And in relation to the HVAC system, if we can see here, this is going to be our refrigerant lines. They do have insulation. Over time, it will start to deteriorate. So if we see pretty much this area over here, where I'm pointing my flashlight at, right underneath there is going to be the air handler. And this line travels all the way further back over there to our AC condenser unit. And one of the key things here is that this line should definitely be away from freezing beam. It could potentially leak, and we definitely want to just lift that up, secure it. This is something new that I did see in the new final, but I'm gonna recommend that they obviously lift this up from the attic flooring. Very important, guys, that your refrigerant lines obviously have black insulation like this throughout, that there is no gaps. If you see here, it's taped. Have see houses where tape has been deteriorated. These refrigerant lines do sweat, so they do create moisture, and with moisture you start to see pretty much stains right in the ceiling. So just some information for you folks.